welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. Winter is here. I might be a little late on this, but for some reason this winter is not at all feeling very wintry yet, at least until now. But the weather wise, like, it's kind of getting more dry. So here I am, very simple, easy, like anybody can do winter hair care and skin care with natural. I've tried to use as much as natural ingredients as possible that is easily available at home, or even if you don't have at home, it's very it's available everywhere and anybody can get their hands on. So without any further delay, let's get started with my winter hair care and skin care. I generally start my hair care with combing my hair with this wooden comb and get rid of all that knots. And even generally when I have headaches, I most of the time comb my hair, and generally my headache goes away. I don't know how, but yeah, I have switched to wooden comb and ever since then I feel my hair fall has actually reduced. And if you're facing a lot of hair fall, probably you can try switching to wooden comb and see. Then just like that I get rid of all the knots. And generally during this winter weather, for some reason I have extreme hair fall, and I don't know why. Even if you're somebody like that, comment below and let me know. Next, I take this scalp massager that I've been using for months now. Promotes blood circulation, which in return helps you get very good hair growth. I generally do this after like oil massage or something like that, but as I'm doing hair mask today, I first thought let me do hair massage with this and then do the hair mask. For this, first I've taken bringraj powder, amla powder, hibiscus powder, neem powder, rita powder, some 5 pumps of aloe vera gel and half a cup of virgin coconut oil and some curd and 1 vitamin E capsule. I then divide my hair and I start applying. I make sure I concentrate more on the scalp than the entire hair. I know for a fact Rita powder is like a shampoo, a natural shampoo, but generally when we use it just to wash our hair, it doesn't kind of get absorbed into the scalp, and it doesn't, like, the goodness of it is not there that much getting absorbed. So here I've used as a hair mask. I make sure as much as possible I apply to the entire scalp, because that's completely important. Just like how we water the plants, because the root absorbs all the water, and the root is the main part of a plant growing. Just like that, even our hair acts the same way. Our roots are very important, and that's the reason main nutrition is supposed to be concentrated mostly on the scalp. And while washing and whatever the leftover is there, I'm just going to put it like for the leftover hair. I generally don't massage when I apply hair mask, but as I put oil in this, I slightly did a slight massage. I put a bun, and I'm gonna leave it for like about 30 minutes and then wash my hair. Yes, with shampoo, but first I'll wash off the powder and then I'll put shampoo. And just like that, my hair is all healthy and very fluffy. In today's hair mask, I actually used neem powder because I had a lot of dandruff because of the weather. And neem in return helps to get rid of dandruff. Obviously not just in first wash, but you will have to use it like alternative weeks. But this hair mask really promotes hair growth and makes your hair very voluminous and helps you get rid of all the dandruff. And that's it. Next, let's move on to my skincare. The first step of my winter skincare is going to be taking steam. It's so relaxing and calming at the same time, especially during peak winters. It makes you feel so relaxed and warm. And then I use my derma suction tool to get rid of that oil and all that white heads and black heads. I've already done one review about this derma suction tool. You can go and check that out. While I keep doing this, I also continuously take steam because it helps in better suction of all that oil and clogged pores. Yes, and I gently do this. My face gets a little reddish and see all that yucky gunk. I'm sorry for it if you feel it gross. But anyways, make sure please whenever using it, to clean it then and there. And then using a cotton pad, I get rid of the other steam that's there on my face, just in case, to get rid of that extra dirt. To cool all of this, let's move on to my face mask. For this, I add multani mitti 2 spoons and turmeric and tomato juice, which I prepared at home. Like, I put 5 drops. I mix it and then start applying on the entire face. That warm steam steam and getting rid of that clogged pores and all that redness, this face mask completely cools your skin. It also closes your open pores and absorbs all that oil, if at all you have on your face. This is the best mask you can use even during summers or winters. If you're using this in winters, you have extremely dry skin, you can just add a little bit of milk. This after application, I'm going to leave about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash my face, and just like that my face will start glowing because of the turmeric that we have used. And wait, we have not done yet. After that, I'm going to be taking this sheet mask. Over here I'm using berry sheet mask because that's the only thing that I had. Ignore for a fact that I'm going to be looking like a ghost for another 5 to 10 seconds. Next, I'm going to be using my face roller, and I had already refrigerated for a few minutes. Feel that very coldness on my face to get rid of that puffiness and swollen cheeks sometimes. This also helps in absorbing all that hydration from this mask. Also doing a little of face sculpting. I'm going to be leaving for 10 minutes and then taking it off. It feels so relaxing. Yeah, and just like that, generally I take the rest over whatever is hydration or whatever gel is there in the sheet mask and just dab it on my face and my neck. Yes, please don't forget your neck whenever you do any kind of face care or skin care, to make sure that extra hydration is completely absorbed. After this, I just let all of it absorb and we are done with the skincare. It feels so relaxing, man. So yeah, that's it. Generally for hair, I don't do much as a long process during winter. And skincare, yeah, I try to concentrate more on the hydration part, trying to get rid of clogged pores, because I have observed more than summers my pores get clogged a lot during winters. Sometimes I also do face oils and I kind of give it a very slight massage. I do it just once in a month because I already have kind of combination plus oily skin. But if you are somebody who have extremely dry skin and it gets very dry during winters, then I think you should apply any face oil at least once a week and kind of give it a good massage. Take steam, then remove the oil and then get rid of your blackheads or whiteheads. So this is my very simple skincare and hair care routine that I follow in winters that keeps me going. I love self-care. I feel it's just kind of a therapy that just makes you feel very relaxed, and I feel everybody should do it at least once in a week, kind of just relax. If you found this video useful, then please give me a big fat thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.